Hit the gas, roll the dope, and blow smoke on.
Square box shape, these are 33s. 6-inch lift with the console seats. Big mud ties, need my ball joints greased. I'm feeling every bump, every stump in the street. You can hear me coming down the block before I turn. Too damn high, catch 'em flop from all the birds. If I break down, I fix it, I ain't worried. Country boy, state of mind, boy, my ride so dirty. Boy, my ride so dirty. Backwoods, gas good, head blown. Cheap and reefer, get it cheaper by the bowl. Blowing smoke, rolling down the window. Rain, sleet, or snow, ain't no road I can't go. Bitch, I been riding for a minute. Sonic cup sipping. Pistol in the truck, boy, don't let me catch you slipping. Hair, finger, trigger. Sliding, boy, I slipper like a snake in the creek. I be high until I get you. I ain't got no co-pilot, cause I know how to fly you. Whip sitting back like I caught a flat tire. Boy, I been...
Now, you might be an aspiring trader, and you might think you need some elaborate setup so that you can be successful trading. You might think you need 4, 6, 8, 12 screens so that you can make sure your charting system works and you can have your platforms up and you can have your Twitter or your X, whatever you want to call it, up. But I'm here to tell you that that's not the case. You do not need 12 screens to be successful trading. That might be what you want. And if that's the case, that's perfectly fine. I'm not here to say that it's silly, it's stupid, and you don't need it. I'm just trying to simply point out that not everyone fits the same mold. In this video, I'm going to discuss how I currently trade and how I've been trading for years only on a laptop. I had big screens in the past, but I realized I didn't need it. I might in the future go with a couple more screens or at least one more because my eyesight is getting poor. If you watch other videos in the past, I didn't wear glasses. Years ago, I got LASIK surgery and now I can't see up close as well as I can in the past. So that is the reason why I might get a big screen again in the future. But for now, I'm still trading on a laptop. So I'm going to explain the specs of this laptop. I'm going to explain how I use it. And then I'm going to talk about moving forward. So let's jump right into it. Before we continue with the video, I just want to quickly point out, if you need any additional help, please consider joining our trading club. You can do that by clicking on the link in the description area, and you'll get a 3-month trial for a flat fee of $60. We look forward to seeing you in the trading club. Back to the video. So let's now talk about the specs of this laptop that I'm trading with. This is an M4, an Apple M4 MacBook Pro. It has 24 gigabytes of RAM. My previous computer had 16. It has a 14-inch screen. My previous computer was 13. It has 512 gigabytes of storage. My previous one had 200 and something, I believe. It has a 12-core CPU, a 16-core GPU. So those are the specs of this system. I think the system is just absolutely powerful. Let me explain now how I use it. I have a business that I'm running. It's called Dorian Trader. And on a daily basis through the week, I am trading my personal account and trading several different demonstration accounts with real money that members get to see. Because here at Dorian Trader, we have 7 different strategies that we primarily trade and discuss. And so we have accounts that represent those strategies. And so we have platforms that we recommend: TastyTrade, Thinkorswim, and Interactive Brokers, in that order, in that sequence. But we have members that trade on all different type of platforms. And what I do on a daily basis is that I trade on these platforms and have them on at the same time. I'm also using GoTo, so I'm sharing my screen, I have my camera on, and I am trading on these platforms that require a lot of energy. They suck up a lot of bandwidth. But this M4 has been able to handle it without any problem. No lagging, no buffering. This M4 has just been an awesome machine. I love this machine because of the mobility of it. Yeah, I love the power of it, but I can do everything that I do in my office, I can do on the road. I can do on a plane. And I'm mobile a lot. I'm flying across the country, meeting with traders, doing in-person events. And it's just been awesome to be able to pack my laptop and move on, not have to worry about so many different screens, so many different devices. Just have to throw my laptop in my traveling bag and off I go. I believe if you're new to trading, you don't have to spend a lot of money on some fancy system, buying so many different monitors, buying the most powerful computer. You can simply get you a laptop and get started. Basic laptop. It doesn't have to be an M4, but I do recommend it. It's awesome. But you might not be running a business. You might not have to have so many different platforms open at the same time and sharing your screen. That is not required if you're just learning to trade on your own. You want to keep your expenses very, very low until you learn how to successfully trade. There's no reason you should be spending thousands of dollars on a computer system when you're just learning how to trade. So moving forward, I plan to continue to trade this way, but as I said earlier, I might purchase a big screen because my eyes are getting weaker and weaker. But it's not because I need it for all this charting or anything such as that. But if that's what you're into, it's perfectly fine to be able to get that. I'm not trying to discourage people on having a bunch of screens. I just want to point out that I have been trading for years. I ran a hedge fund just using my laptop. You do not need a bunch of computers to be successful trading. You just need to have the right approach, have the desire, the dedication, and the discipline, and you can do it. But it's not going to be an overnight thing. It's not going to be some type of computer system that helps you be successful. It's going to be your grit. It's going to be your desire, your dedication, and your discipline. With that said, we thank you for watching this video. We hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.